I'm at the Everett Farmers Market, which happens every single Sunday here. Best one north of Seattle, in my opinion. We're gonna pick up a few things. Gonna be making pizza tomorrow. Always like to get some fresh produce, vegetables, fruits, whatever's in season. So I want to show you guys everything I love to pick up here and some of my favorite farmers and stands.
They have shaved ice over there.
Shaved ice? Is that why you came?
No.
Okay, so this is our favorite fruit stand here. What's going on? I've been coming here for so long. Raul, he knows all of my kids because he's seen all of them growing up. Kira reminded me that Judy needs some potatoes, so yeah, you could get the multicolored one if you want that one probably. That's a good one. Got to buy it over here. Okay, so Judy made an amazing zucchini bread the other day, and so we'll get those. I don't know if these are zucchinis. Are these zucchinis? Yeah, these are definitely zucchinis. We'll get a few of these because they were amazing. Why don't you grab a few of those too? So this is Judy's favorite, the Rainier cherries. Raul has the best one, so we're gonna get a whole bag of these.
Get our own bag.
Get our own bag? What do you mean?
Those ones don't look that good.
Oh, you're saying you want to dig out of here?
Yeah.
Okay, then go ahead. You dig it out.
Well,
good call on picking our own, huh? Like,
there you go.
okay, so this is a local farmer from Marysville, Washington, actually. This is where I normally get all my tomatoes. Tomatoes aren't in season right now, so I'm just gonna get some greens maybe. Maybe some green onions. Ooh, sugar snap peas. The girls love those. $5. The girls just snack on these as a side dish. I know. Should we get two? I think one will be enough, right?
Yeah, I
okay.
got one right now.
Yeah, yeah. I'm also gonna get some green onions right here. When you buy them from the farmer's market, they're way more firm, crisp, and of course more flavorful. Probably better for you too. Fire Trail Farm is my favorite. Super local. Literally the best tomatoes. So right now they don't have tomatoes, but probably in the next few weeks. So if you come to Everett Farmers Market, come to this stand, okay? Look for it. Kira's my hauler today. Thank you for carrying the bags. One of my favorite parts about coming to the farmers market is the fact that you can talk to the farmers and the people that produce these things. And even though Raul's stand is organic, see, a lot of farmers, they can't afford the certification and it costs a lot. So they'll tell you that they're growing organically without using the pesticides or the chemicals, or at least the bad ones. It's still organic, just not certified organic. Little tip for the farmer's market, it doesn't always have to have that sign on there. Even though I appreciate that Raul does have it, so. Judy loves her hummus, and so they have a hummus stand here. All kinds of different flavors. And then naturally, what do you call this bread again?
Pita bread.
Pita bread, there you go. So we'll probably get one of these as well. These pita chips, these are also really good too. I feel like we should get one of each. We always love getting the red pepper.
Yeah, and you have this one, cilantro jalapeno.
Ooh, okay, I like that. I've never tried that before. We'll definitely get that one. That's new. And then you know what? This eggplant one.
Yep.
Definitely get a pita bread. I feel like we might as well get pita chips too. Okay, you pick whichever one. Thank you. Do you guys do the tap here?
I do.
How much is that?
It's gonna be $30.
Okay, cool. Oh, I got the deal?
Yeah.
Because I got 5?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, enjoy it.
Thank you very much. We love your product, by the way. There's a really popular bread shop from Snohomish, Washington. We used to buy bread there every single week, but we're blessed with Obachan's bread, so we don't get it. But I feel like we should go over there and just vlog it, because their bread's amazing. But my mom, she bakes us so much stuff that we wouldn't get through all of it. We'd get wasted. I bought your balsamic vinegar.
Yeah.
How long will it last with the bottle open?
Forever.
Oh yeah, forever.
Olive
Okay,
oil,
got
I
it.
cannot claim that, but the balsamic, you're
For sure, yeah.
Yep.
I love it, by the way. It's really good. Where are you guys out of?
We're in University Place in Tacoma.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
They've got all kinds of balsamic vinegars. This is out of Tacoma, Washington. They also have over there a lot of olive oils, which I'll show. It's pretty cool that you can get locally made balsamic vinegars and olive oils. The olives are probably from another country, but they're making this product, these infused olive oils, here, right in town. red chili infused, smoky chipotle, all kinds of crazy ones. I've gotten the roasted garlic before. It's really good. Whenever we roast vegetables, we always use a garlic olive oil, so it's nice to just have it ready. Toss it in the garlic olive oil and roast it in the oven. Air fryer, even better. Crispy edges, so good, so flavorful. Okay, so this is called the Frog Song Farm. We always get their golden raspberries, which we haven't bought in a while. I'll definitely get one of those for the littles. They got regular raspberries too. I think these are currants. See, there's products here that you can't really find at the regular grocery store. Their sugar snap peas, actually, I would say it's one of the best here. We already bought some, but I bought it at that other stand. Gotta support the local farmers first. Always love the selection of potatoes. You wouldn't think it, but there's just so many different varieties of potatoes. They have different flavors, probably different nutrients, and they last way longer because they're fresh. I mean, they probably just dug these out of the ground in the last week. These are super small, but garlic at the farmer's market is 10 times better than any grocery store, so I would highly suggest getting garlic here. Is this broccoli up for grabs?
Yeah.
It's just in a funny place.
Well, there was a bunch. Like,
Oh, okay, got it.
that,
All right,
and
definitely gonna get some broccoli here, and then we're gonna get that those raspberries too.
Raspberries,
Thank you.
okay.
Oh my gosh, look at these. These look awesome too. That's a cool thing about the farmer's market. You get products you've never seen before, like these freeze-dried tomatoes. I bet they're very concentrated and very sweet.
Golden raspberry syrup.
Oh wow. Maybe the best thing they sell here is this porcini powder. If you want a very flavorful mushroom pizza, sprinkle this on your mushrooms as you're sauteing them right here. Underrated. Secret of really good pizza places. Moral. Judy's favorite is mushroom pizzas. I can never get the mushroom flavor like the pizza shops, and my friend Matt told me it's mushroom powder that you need. So I bought some, I used it, everything pizzas, the pastas. Whew. Porcini mushroom powder, underrated. Try it. It's kind of expensive, but it's worth it. It goes a long way. What is this right here?
That is honeycomb.
Oh, just straight honeycomb. That's cool.
Daddy, we should
Oh,
get
a
honeycomb.
little bit better. This is like a candy. If you chew it, it kind of turns into like a gum.
Yeah.
Like, you want to get one of those? You want it? I would totally love to eat one of those. Okay, we'll get that. This stand has the best honey around. We always get a huge jar of it. I've been to a lot of farmers markets. I'd say that honey is something almost every farmers market has. And I like trying different honeys from different areas. They're gonna have a different flavor profile because the bees are getting their pollen or whatever from different flowers from that local area. So
Kombucha.
kombucha? Ooh, yeah, they even got fresh kombucha here. Kira noticed they have some kombucha here, which is awesome. Can you tell me about your kombucha?
Everything's going to be an organic and raw ferment.
Okay.
We partner with local farmers to try and source as many of our ingredients as possible. There's no added sugars,
Okay.
preservatives, anything.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, we're a small business started about like 2020 from my sister and her wife.
Cool, where at?
We started in West Seattle actually.
Oh, nice.
So, but my sister is such a fan of Everett, just in general. So
Okay.
we make the trip out here.
Filipina.
Yeah. So
My wife's Filipina. This girl, she's half Filipina too. Gotta support the Filipino businesses. Okay, I'll get one of these for sure, one of the smaller bottles. So this is our last one right here. I should try this actually. So the girls love coming with me because they get a lot of snacks. Look at this guy's snacks. Guy has the best snacks right here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at all this amazingness. Kira really wants a popsicle today. Do you know where the popsicles are? Okay, show me. Seattle Pops, a local popsicle business. Creamy coffee, chocolate banana, coconut cream, cookies and cream, blackberry ginger. Very unique flavors here. You definitely wouldn't find this at the grocery store. Berry strawberry, zesty lime, ooh, strawberry banana, and no sugar added. Nice. What flavor are you gonna get? Okay, nice. I think I'm gonna get one too. I lied. I'm gonna get the creamy coffee.
Can I please have a cookies and cream?
And then the coffee one.
I didn't have time to get coffee this morning, so I had.
There you go. And how's that?
Popsicle.
Like, does it do the trick for you?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
I don't know if it. I can't really tell.
Oh
It's
yeah.
like-
You don't know if it has a lot of caffeine.
Someone told me how much caffeine was in it. And
How do you like yours?
It's so
Oh wait, you gotta show the camera that one. Show that. Here, I gotta show it. Look. There's like a legit piece of cookie in there. An Oreo cookie. Cost. Is the farmer's market cheaper than the grocery store? Sometimes it can be. Sometimes it's the same, and sometimes it's more expensive. You'll be surprised because you would assume it'd be cheaper, but
It's better quality.
it's definitely better quality. This girl knows. No matter what the price is, not only is it going to be better quality, and you know the source, you can ask questions and be confident in the growing practices, no matter if it's certified organic or not. Also, you're supporting your neighbors, your local economy. So that's why I like to go. One of the big reasons.
And Daddy has friends here.
Yeah, I literally I've been shopping here for so long that people know my name and I know their names like Raul. But the other thing about a farmer's market is the fact that everything's seasonal. So though I'm all about buying things out of season or from other countries, shout out to Mexico, a lot of our produce comes from there. It's nice knowing you're buying something that nature intended on being grown at that moment, at that time. One thing we normally do that we're not going to do today, because we got to get back to the house and cook, is we like to eat lunch here. They have all kinds of food stands. I might go vlog it, because there's one Filipino stand.
Quesadilla.
There's a Mexican one. There's usually a Chinese one. There's a Filipino one. There's a meat pie one.
I don't think they're here today.
I think they moved them to the other end. This is a really popular Chinese food spot. Somebody wants dumplings.
I'll have whatever.
She likes
you
soup
want,
dumplings. I wonder if they have it though.
They probably don't.
Oh, they do. Look, handmade dumplings. Look at this. Okay, well, we're gonna go ahead and do handmade dumplings, please. Pork and cabbage.
Daddy. Have that.
These are some legit looking dumplings. I got them because they're handmade. Why not? Got a little dipping sauce, and then funny enough, they got a little fortune cookie too. You can totally, just be careful, it might be hot.
It's like soup inside.
Oh, there you go. I'm just gonna use my fingers because it'll be easier.
Why'd you ask for a fork?
Whoa, I thought for you. Oh my gosh, that's hot. Let's try it without it. Oh yeah, there's soup in there. I didn't realize they'll have actual soup dumplings. That's cool. Really hot, so be careful. It's been a while since I ate Chinese at the farmer's market though. Normally I go for the Filipino food. I'll try this right here. Seeking Kombucha, Filipina and Mexican owned kombucha company out of Seattle. Ginger, turmeric, rose hips. You know, this is probably gonna be super good. Hits you right away.
Yeah,
And it's
Daddy-
not too strong.
Daddy says before he even eats stuff.
Well, it hit my tongue, hit my lips. You can taste the health. Oh, there's some sediment down here. That's very normal.
Which one do you like better? This one or the one you usually get?
This one for sure. And again, when you're buying something like this, even kombucha, you're supporting your neighbors. You're supporting your local economy. Browned butter and toasted sugar, marshmallow crispy treats. Okay, let's go get them. Look at this, they look amazing. So these are the original with the brown butter in it. And then they've got these ones, cookies and cream. There's a red, white, and blueberry. Oh, we should get the original though. And you guys are out of Seattle?
Lake Forest Park.
Oh, cool.
We are
Close, pretty close then.
Yeah, we work out of West Seattle.
Okay, yeah.
But we're based in Lake Forest Park.
Nice. Thank you very much. Take care.
Thank you.
So this is definitely our favorite dessert place here, Forevermore Sweets. We've actually bought their holiday kits before, but this is the thing that we always get right here. I think we should get one of these for the little ones because they love these. Oh my gosh. Oh, Chris, you want to talk about cookies? I'm telling you, these cookies.
I know, I should have got it here instead of the other place.
No, this is the place to get the cookies. They're really bomb. Last time I think I had like the white chocolate raspberry ones. Oh. Okay, definitely recommend this place, you guys. What's the weekly special, Kira?
Raspberry lemon.
Ooh.
Cash or card? So it's raspberry and lemon.
Weekly special. Chris already bought cookies and he already bought some cookies and now he's buying another one, so he's gonna have to work out with me later. You're gonna have a good pump.
If you can keep up, I mean, I'm down.
Okay, yeah, let's compare who's got bigger.
Oh, all right.
Careful.
So the lady that runs that stand, she's also known our girls for a long time, has seen them grow up from being babies. having that kind of relationship with the people that make your food, including desserts. Check out that place. The purple stand, that's what you're looking for. So they moved everything over here in terms of the eateries. There's some Indian food here. There's a small bus selling, oh, more Asian food. That's cool. Dim sum. Ooh, that's legit. And then this is our favorite food stand, definitely the Filipino spot. It's called 88 Q's Filipino Classics. Whenever we're craving some Filipino food and we don't want to cook on a Sunday, this is where we go. They've got chicken adobo, garlic pancit, lumpia, pork belly adobo, which is probably my favorite thing to get when I'm eating here. There we go, we got the lumpia going on here. Looks like he's putting some kind of topping, which looks amazing. I think that's Toron. It's kind of cool going to a place where people know your name. And I'm not just saying because of my YouTube channel. In fact, it's mostly just because I've been religiously coming here for a decade now, almost every single Sunday. So that's pretty cool. Freshly made pancit right here at the market, guys. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I like that. Oh, plenty of sabao too. Gotta have the sabao. There you go. Oh my gosh. I'm documenting all their secrets right now. Woo-hoo-hoo! I don't know if it'll make it home. Just got back. I was gonna do some quick math, how much I spent there. So I just spent $150 at the farmer's market, which is typical. And we bought a whole bunch. We got that whole bag back there. Plus we had a small little snack and then had my kombucha, of course. What cost the most? That first fruit stand. Love Raul. I love Raul and he's got great product, but cherries can get pretty pricey, even at the farmer's market. But still, and one reason too is organic cherries just always cost a lot. This is why lately I've been going to Costco. Don't tell Raul, because I love his stuff the most, but you know, I go to Costco so often. Hopefully you guys find one in your area. They have them everywhere. Hey babe.
Daddy?
Yeah?
Take the honey.
Okay.
Honey.
Okay, I got honey for you. And you know what? If you want honey, then that means you can't have the macaron then? You want macaron and honey?
I want two macaron.
Oh, no, I only got one for each.
I want honey and macaron.
Oh, and then also you can have a bite of Rice Krispie treats too. See, the girls always look forward to all the desserts that we bring home. Or sometimes they're with me. Today it's just Kira. Okay, I'm on my way home now.
Okay.
Yep.
See you later. See you later. That swimming pool.
What?
Hey, Daddy, that swimming pool.
No. She asked, can I get a swimming pool? Okay, so because it's hot right now. Anyway, so yeah, the girls, they love going to the farmer's market for the snacks, the treats, the desserts, the baked goods, and I always get them something because generally speaking, compared to if you were to buy that at any store, especially a grocery store, it's going to be way healthier. Wholesome ingredients, made with love. So yeah, hopefully you guys can check out your local farmer's market. They're everywhere. Usually there's multiple throughout the week, but if there's only one, that's maybe even better because all the farmers will be there and you're supporting your neighbors. I think that's one of the big bonuses that a lot of people don't think about when they go to a farmer's market compared to if you go to any grocery store or a Costco. That's a national brand or a national business. And though they're employing people that live there, this is a little bit different. The money goes right back into your community, literally into the dirt, into the plants, into the foods that you eat. It's a circle of life, baby. What were you saying, Kira?
You go get swimming pools.
Okay, no swimming pools because it's hot. We have a local swimming pool we go to that she could swim at. I could go there with her today. That was the Everett Farmers Market, north of Seattle. Check it out. It's the best place to go to outside of Pike Place Market, which is in downtown. And if you're there and I'm there, say hello. Bye.